Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a link in Facebook story. So if I'm going to open the Facebook app right here and I'm going to tap on this plus icon in order to create a story. As you can see, if I'm going to select this picture, let's say right here, and I'm going to stickers, there is no option for us to add a link on the story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this app right here and I'm going to my Instagram account, and now I'm going to select add a new story right here, and right here again I'm going to select a random photo that I want to add to my story. And right here I'm going to tap the sticker icon right here and I'm going to search for link. If you are not able to find it, just use the search bar and select the link. And right here I'm going to insert the link that I want to add to my story. Just a few moments. Let's say I want to add something like YouTube. You can just type in the link that you want, and you also can customize your sticker and type in any text you want and then hit done. So basically what I'm going to do right now is I am able to change my sharing option, and right here as you can see I can share this story to my Facebook. So if I'm going to add this story on Instagram with that link in the story, this will also share to my Facebook account, also with the link that I have inserted. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.